Greetings, YouTube. You know that during this pandemic, we have to wash our hands a lot. My name's Marshall, by the way. And we also like to save on our water bill. So I come up with something here using this washing machine inlet hose to save water. And at the same time get the water hot if you don't have one of those preheater devices underneath your sink. So here I go. Waiting for the water to get hot here. I just did a number 1 here. The alternative would be is just to continue to run the hot water and waste a lot of water. Well, I don't like that, so I'm flushing the toilet while heating up the water at the same time. And I don't want to pay to have one of those preheater devices installed underneath my sink. Well, the water is plenty hot enough. Of course, you realize when the pandemic's over, unless you're just purely interested in saving on your water bill, this is a claptrappity pay cut. But it doesn't cost much, and it actually can save on your water bill. If you don't mind going through the claptrap. Especially if you want to film it for a YouTube video, but I already did that for you now. Whereas if you have both hands available, it's not claptrap hardly at all. Okay, thank you for watching.